Do you want to use AI in your business but don't know how it works or even where to start? Well, I've created a comprehensive non technical course with all of my favorite AI tools that you can use within your organization to start your AI adoption journey today. In case we haven't met yet, my name is Blake Baswell. I've helped countless organizations worldwide adopt AI, and I'm the founder of an AI software company and also the creator of the AI Academy. My goal here is to share what I learned with the world and hopefully encourage others to do the same. And I am passionate about exploring this subject because I've seen firsthand how powerful this technology can be, and I want you to experience that too. So this is actually the first episode in my beginner AI crash course series where you'll learn pretty much everything you need to know about artificial intelligence. Whether you work at a company or you own one, this course was made for you. If you want full access to all of my other videos, or you want to download my worksheets or even connect with a community of AI enthusiasts and builders, make sure to join my school community, which I'll link down in the description below. Now, in this video, you'll learn exactly what AI is, why you and your organization should care about it, and finally, how to approach your very first AI initiative. We'll explore different use cases that can be applied to your business or your role, and I'll even share how it works in mine. So give yourself a pat on the back. You're already ahead of the competition just by being here, and welcome to my beginner AI crash course. So first off, what is AI? Artificial intelligence, or AI, is an umbrella term that essentially is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines. And today, AI has become so sophistically advanced that it's able to replicate some of the things that we're able to do as humans, in many cases better, faster, and even cheaper than before. Let me give you a few examples. If you ask, "Hey Siri, what's the weather like tomorrow?"
Expect partly cloudy skies tomorrow.
It's able to give me a pretty accurate description. Now, if you ask ChatGPT to write me a blog article about my software company, Ideafy, it can type out an entire blog article I can use on my website. AI can also generate images using a text prompt, like an entrepreneur's desk setup with a view of the beach. So as you can see, it can do some pretty amazing things. So how does it work? In general, AI works by taking large amounts of data, analyzing that data for patterns, and using that to make predictions or decisions. Similar to how we as humans are programmed, because an AI can also learn, reason, self-correct, and even be creative. Now, AI today has been in the spotlight for many reasons as far as business decision making is concerned, and really that's for good reason, which leads me to the next question. What are its pros and cons? Now, from my experience, AI is really good at detail-oriented, repetitive, or data-heavy tasks that can allow us to focus more on complex or creative tasks. It's actually really good at being creative, especially using the publicly available AI tools like ChatGPT, for example. You're actually able to generate content for your social media posts. You can automate customer service using an AI chatbot. It can also be used to answer your emails. Now, there are some drawbacks to AI, just like any form of new technology. In some cases, running AI models can be more expensive compared to just having a human complete a task, really depending on what you do. It can require technical knowledge building AI solutions, especially, the complex ones. But most importantly, AI can raise ethical concerns around bias and discrimination. Now, on top of that, there isn't really much regulation actually governing these AI initiatives. It's kind of like a weird territory right now since AI is evolving faster than we can govern it. And that said, it's ultimately up to the organization or us on how we collaborate and determine the best approach for adopting AI that aligns with our core values. Now, one thing that I've learned about artificial intelligence is that it's the most effective when people collaborate with it rather than trying to just replace them entirely, which could be more destructive. There should be like a fine balance between an AI and human interaction, and I believe this is going to be the biggest challenge for many companies moving forward working with this new technology, and really the only way out is through. And without a doubt, AI has the potential to unlock so much opportunity and growth, making it a game changer for those who use it effectively. And although it has its drawbacks and limitations, this technology will only continue to improve our products and our performance overall. And eventually, the distinction between artificial intelligence and human intelligence will blur altogether. But will AI replace us? The good news is AI isn't here to replace humans. You're probably more likely to get replaced by someone using AI rather than the AI itself. And the chances are that's unlikely to happen in most cases. And I'll tell you why. AI is here to augment our capabilities, freeing us from mundane tasks and allowing us to focus more on meaningful and higher impact activities. This transition enables better decision making and boosts our overall performance. Take ChatGPT for an example, right? It can tackle pretty much any task that we give it, oftentimes performing moving better and faster than we can, right? But it's our responsibility to find use cases that work for us. So here's my take. If you're an entrepreneur, be an entrepreneur and seize new opportunities that can benefit your company or your next venture. If you're an employee, you can be the most efficient employee that works at your company. And if you're someone who can communicate this to other people and you understand how it works and you can actually help companies implement this new technology and make it work for them, you can get paid millions of dollars per year building a consulting company, for example, right? So should you be scared? The answer is no, but you should definitely know what it can and can't do. And that's the reason why you're here. Now let's address the most frequently asked question. What can I do with AI and how could it be used in my business? There are 4 main pillars where AI can be incredibly useful in any business. Number 1 is automation. Number 2 is data analysis. Number 3 is decision making. And number 4 is creation. It's crucial to understand AI's capabilities and determine its appropriate fit within the role or department you choose. Let me give you examples for each. With AI automations, you're able to save time, maximize productivity, and even reduce risk of human error. Now, this can be achieved by implementing AI chatbots for customer service, right? Now, in data analysis, AI excels at scanning through large data sets of information as it can quickly pull all of that information and rapidly create comprehensive reports, and it can even analyze trends with remarkable efficiency. And for decision making, AI can predict outcomes based on these trends. For instance, it can identify who's likely to convert and become a customer in a CRM, helping us make data-driven decisions. And lastly, AI can assist in creation. It's capable of generating various types of content, including text, imagery, and even videos now these days. But it's important to test and see which works best within your role and organization here that, really just benefits the company and really puts people first. Now, in my business, I actually use AI in synergy with my sales team. Now, there are essentially 2 ways to go about this, specifically in the sales department. The first option is to automate the sales cycle entirely, where customers would actually interact with an AI up until the point of the sale. This can be done with an AI chatbot that's trained on the same information you would train a sales rep. The second option is to equip your sales team with AI tools that enhance their performance and improve the overall customer experience. Now, I actually chose the second option because my business is a bit more specialized, and we honestly can't risk having an AI run our entire sales department. And I believe our customers aren't ready yet for a fully AI automated conversation. So instead of replacing my sales team with AI, I've actually implemented AI-powered suggestions that can read through entire sales conversations and draft 3 editable messages that can help my sales team communicate more effectively and efficiently with our customers. This is actually just what worked for me. Again, it's up to you on how you decide which application works best and what works best with your company, because every single company is different. So that leads me to the last point. How do I approach my first AI initiative? Now, unfortunately, there's not going to be a one-size-fits-all answer here. And the truth is, you need to do some research, you need to ask around for advice, and then start to test new AI solutions for yourself. A great place to start is simply by asking AI what it can do by providing it with information about your role and details about your business. And many people ask me this question, trying to pick my brain. That's why I've created a custom AI adoption assessment that actually finds areas in your business or your work where AI can be applied for maximum results. This is just like getting a consultation from an AI expert developing your custom AI adoption strategy. And the best part is it's 100% free. I'll leave the link to that down below in the description. Now, to take this a step further, another recommendation is expanding your knowledge base around AI. While there are many AI courses out there that offer pretty good information about the concepts of AI, it can actually be really hard to find the information that cuts to the chase and covers practical use cases for your business, especially teaching subjects like how to actually implement it. And that's why I've created in-depth courses that are easy to follow inside of my AI Academy. Not only do you have an entire crash course that's made specifically for beginners, I go over the top AI tools and softwares, how to build chatbots and agents, how to build no-code workflows and AI automations. Even if you're looking to build an AI agency or get paid to enable it in a company, maybe like a consulting business, or even if you're looking to create your own AI software and scale it like how I did with Ideify, I'm really just scratching the surface here, but I think you get the point. Now, lastly, AI can be difficult to navigate alone. So that's why you need a community of not just enthusiasts, but enablers who are building this together and sharing what works for them. So I'll leave the link down below for you to join. Now, that about wraps up my video on what is AI. Hopefully that made sense and answered your question so that, you can take advantage of this incredible opportunity in your business. But everything that I've just told you in this video is going to be completely useless if you don't have the right tools. So go ahead and soak up all the knowledge, connect with others, and start actually testing some of these AI solutions yourself. And if you're an entrepreneur and you want to learn more about how I make money with AI, I made an absolute masterclass, which I recorded recently that goes much more in depth. So I'll put the link to that right over here. Now, apart from that, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.